All right, let's look at the homework 4.8, problem number 3. All right, so we want to find the value of fifth root of 23. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we want to find, so let's call this guy x. So x is equal to fifth root of 23. All right, so we have to come up with an equation whose solution is the exact value. So I'm going to raise it to the fifth power so that we have x to the fifth power is equal to 23. Alright, then we subtract 23 from both sides. So we get x to the fifth minus 23 is equal to 0. So I'm going to call this guy function f of x. Alright, so I'm going to open up GeoGebra. Alright, so function is f of x is equal to x to the fifth minus 23. Alright, then hit enter. Right, so it's defined that, and then we have Newton's method. So I'm going to call it n of x is equal to x minus f of x divided by f prime of x. Then hit enter. Alright, we don't really need to see the picture of the Newton's method. Alright, then let's see. I'm going to start with, let's see, x equals maybe 2. So x1. So initial guess is going to be start with say 2. So here's 2. Then x2, x of 2 is n of x1. Right? Then x3 is equal to n of x2. Right? And x4 is equal to n of x3. Right? And x5 is equal to n of x4. Right? So we keep on doing it. Maybe I'll do maybe a few more. So x6 is equal to n of x5. Right? And x7 is equal to n of x6. Alright, then the number isn't changing anymore, so I'm going to have to change the rounding to 8 decimal places, so we have to see at least 10 here. Alright, let's see, whoops, rounding, and 10 decimal places. Alright, so you can see that the number isn't changing, so the value is 1.87217123. Alright, so that's the value. So I'm going to go down here and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this value correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.